Have you been looking for a one-story home with 4 bedrooms in the Rocklin School District for under $650,000? Well, you found it here. Hi, LuAnn here at 2203 Solitude Way, Rocklin, California. Let's go inside and take a look around this beautiful one-story. Step into a bright and welcoming foyer highlighted by a custom front door with bevel-leaded glass complemented by elegant side windows and an arched window that fill the area with natural light. The kitchen has been tastefully updated with quartz counters, giving you both style and function, while the newer laminate flooring brings warmth and durability throughout the home. One of the bedrooms is already set up with custom built-in furniture, making it the perfect home office. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with private access to the backyard. A wonderful bonus for enjoying quiet mornings or evening relaxation. You'll very much appreciate the 3-car garage, offering plenty of space for cars, storage, or even a home gym. And of course, location matters. This home is set in Rocklin's highly sought-after school district, close to parks, trails, shopping, and dining. Everything you need is right here. If you've been searching for a move-in ready home with thoughtful updates and a fantastic Rocklin location, this one is not to be missed. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions or would like a private showing, contact me, LuAnn, today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to get all the upcoming listings and buyer and seller real estate tips. And I'll see you on the next one.